Today, I'm going to talk about Curatr's NGram Viewer and how to find trends in the catalogue. The Corpus NGram Viewer on Curatr generates an easy-to-read graph, which displays the frequency of all unique terms in the corpus's English language volumes. This video will provide a quick overview of how to navigate the NGram Viewer function and generate data. The NGram Viewer is really easy to use. To start, enter one or more comma-separated keywords into the first box. I'm going to add the words ghost, vampire, spectre, and goblin. You can modify the year range you want to search between if you're focusing on a certain historical period, or you can widen your search if you're interested in the corpus as a whole. After pressing the search button, your results are going to be color-coded. The graph's y-axis displays the number of volumes a term is present in, while the x-axis displays the year. The graph I've generated for this video shows that between the years 1800 and 1880, the term ghost had the highest frequency in the corpus, while vampire had the lowest. You can hover over the different graph lines to see the specific details related to a term. For example, in 1873, the term ghost appeared 266 times. You can press on the graph line to search for text in which the term ghost appears in a particular year. This function is a particularly fascinating way to find keywords in context. For example, in 1873, in a book called The Death Shot, A Romance of Forest and Prairie, a writer named Mayne Reid wrote about a ghost doing its rounds. Intriguing. It is also interesting to note here that you can export this subcorpus. Curatr will generate the volumes or segments that match a particular search specification or lexicon to create a smaller subcorpus of the British Library corpus. You can name your subcorpus, choose its format, for example, whether you want the full text or simply the metadata, and you can decide the number of results you want to export. The last input option you have is to change the graph plot type from number of volumes to relative percentage of volumes. This will change your graph significantly, as the relative percentage takes the comparative ratio of volumes into consideration.